Today we're going to show you how to install the Card Access ceiling mount motion sensor. It's a pretty simple task. We're going to put it in this half bath right here. So let's get started. So once you pull the motion sensor out of the box, you just need to open it up, and you do it by twisting it, and then you just pull this top part off like that, and you'll see the PCB here. You'll also see a couple of punch out holes on the base of this unit. So the easiest thing to do is grab a screwdriver or something similar and punch these holes out where you would like to secure any screws so that you can put it up into the ceiling. I find that the easiest way to do this is to take the base of the unit, and if you turn it over on the back, I don't know if you can see it in the light, but I promise you, you will be able to see it in real life. You can see exactly where the punch out holes are on the back of the unit as well. So the easiest thing to do is put it on some kind of a hard surface, whether, we're just going to use the ground right here. So set it down here on the hard surface, and we'll just take our screwdriver, just line it up with where it is, and just push it down. If you twist it around a little bit like this, you'll get a cleaner look, but you can just choose the places that you'd like to put the screws. And you put them here and here on either ends, and should be ready to go. The next thing we're going to want to do is put the motion sensor up on the ceiling. So you can either put the battery in before or after. I'm going to put the battery in right now, and while I do that, you also want to think about where you're going to place it on the ceiling. In this particular scenario, we have a hallway behind us that is a very high traffic area. So we don't want to accidentally pick somebody up just walking through the hall, but not necessarily into the bathroom. So we're going to put this motion sensor a little bit closer to this wall right here. One way to test that out is on these motions, they have a really cool feature called the walk test. And after they've been powered on, you can put the lens back on this device, and you can see a red light blinking. And what happens is every time this red light senses motion, it will turn on. So it's a very easy way to do it. So if you put it up here on the ceiling, if you have someone else with you, you can have them walk by the hallway or whatever and see if it's going to pick them up, or make sure that it picks them up as soon as they enter the bathroom. So let's put the screws into the ceiling, and we should be done after that. All we need to do is, again, take this apart, pull it off, and grab a couple of screws here. Should be pretty simple. So set it here. After you got the screws in securely up on the ceiling, you just need to put the lens back on. So you just need to line this up, twist it, there you go. So now that we've got everything installed, we're going to show you how it works. Just walk in, got a very smart bathroom, going to turn the light on as soon as I walk in. Simple as that.